Alright, this is my 2002 Nissan Xterra. I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the knock sensor, or disconnect the knock sensor cable, which is all the way down there. And for you to get to that, you either gotta pay somebody like $700 to $1,000 some, or you can do it yourself by taking off the manifold or going underneath. Both is the same amount of time. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it the fast way. So you gotta follow these cables, and then this one, follow this cable, and then this one goes all the way down to the thing. So what you gotta do is go down there, disconnect it, and try to bring it back up and relocate it right here instead of, you know, wasting an hour, 4 hours. That's the easy way. And so yeah, this came off with it because it was kind of brittle already, and from the knock sensor. And this is just the stock cable. Didn't even cut, splice, none of that. But yeah, that's the way to do it.